Good Tuesday morning, everyone. We have dangerously cold weather settling in across the area. Temperatures this morning are down around 11 in Indy, 6 up in Lafayette. Temperatures really aren't going to warm hardly at all through the day today. And then we have dangerous wind chills that will continue to push in, especially tonight, tomorrow, and into Thursday with some of the most extreme cold throughout this cold blast. Now, throughout the day today, we're going to see a mix of sun and clouds. We'll see a few flurries. Snow showers continue through today. And then overnight tonight, we'll see a couple additional disturbances bringing a few snow showers. So this could at times cause a few slick spots on the roads. A lot of this will just kind of be like dust that just kind of blowing around with all the wind. And it's a very dry, powdery type of snow. So there could be a couple slick spots here through the next 24 hours. But really the main story is going to be the cold temperatures. We have a high temperature today of 16. And as we go into tonight, look at these low temperatures. Our record low tomorrow morning is -11. And we're certainly going to be challenging that here at a low of -10. And then a high tomorrow of 0, which will be our new record low high temperature for the day. And then temperatures as we go into the extended, we're going to see just a dramatic swing in the weather here from record historic cold to temperatures that will be well above normal by the weekend. So let's talk about the wind chills, because this is going to be what it's going to feel like as we go into tomorrow morning. Again, this morning the wind chills are, a little bit below 0, but this is nothing compared to what's coming. Here in about 24 hours, we're going to see wind chills here in Indy tomorrow morning drop to about -30 or so, and wind chills to the north will be even colder. Just very dangerous stuff here where your frostbite can actually set in just a few minutes if you have any exposed skin outdoors. So again, you want to limit any time outside and have a winter survival kit in your car with blankets, flashlights, jumper cables, and things like that, just to ensure you're safe if you have to travel during this extremely cold stretch of weather here. But again, we're going to look forward to much warmer temperatures by the weekend. We have a chance of snow here Thursday night and Friday. We'll watch that. That could bring up to a couple inches of snow. And then the weekend, much warmer. The chance of showers will start to go up, especially by Sunday and into Monday. So we have a little bit of everything in the forecast. But again, the historic cold is the big story here through midweek. Make sure you stay safe. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.